Code Leader, and today I'm going to show you how to use MAMP, to use PHP locally on your computer. So the reason why you want to use MAMP, first let's go to the website, just type in MAMP, and the first rule on Google you click on. So why do you need to use MAMP if you want to program in PHP? Well, if you want to program in PHP and show it in a browser, you have to buy a hosting or have like a web server, and these web servers are paid. You can go to like GoDaddy, etc. But you don't want to pay anything. You just want to use PHP on your computer, maybe for following tutorials or to make a website locally first and then upload it to a hosting. So that's why we use MAMP. It's free, it's good, and yeah, we're gonna get it. So you have like MAMP and MAMP Pro. This one is paid and has some more options, but you really only need this one. It has a database and like a local hosting. So just click the free download, choose your computer. I have an Apple, and you're just gonna wait for it till it downloads. I already downloaded it. It's like here. So you double click on it, click on continue, readme, continue, and then for the here also continue for the license, and just click on continue till you install the software. Because I already have it installed, I'm not gonna install it again. So when you're done installing, yeah, quit download. Oh, no, quit. So when you're done installing, yeah, you just go to search and you search for MAMP. In my case, I have bought MAMP Pro because I'm a web developer. I'm doing this for about 10 years. So yeah, now you have MAMP Pro, and now you can start making a folder where you can start your first PHP project. So I have like another folder here, but you have only localhost, I think. And guys, if this layout looks different at your side, it's okay because I have MAMP Pro. So right click on localhost, click on choose document root folder, and I gotta go back. So choose document root folder brings you, I think, to MAMP at your side. We can do this another way. This is the way you can all understand. Just click on Finder, go to your applications, search for MAMP, searching, here's MAMP, click on it, and where your PHP is like where you can put in your website project folders is in the htdocs. This is where MAMP makes your computer like a web server in this folder. So I already have like my own folder, made my own folder, Code Leader. If you want to make a new folder, just right click, click on new folder. So Code Leader, and I have like PHP. These are just names that I've just made up, so you can make up your own. And then in the PHP folder, you make like a HTML or a PHP file or whatever. So let's show you the right way. So you go to htdocs, right click here. I'm gonna put on PHP or MAMP installation tut. Okay, so now you have that. Inside that, you can make a new folder or just insert the file. So I use Sublime Text in this tutorial. So, and if you don't know what Sublime Text is, or you want to know how to get it, you can ask me for a new tutorial, or you can just Google. So I opened up a new Sublime Text file, and I'm just gonna command save, or you can go to file and save, and then it asks you, okay, what is the name of the file? Because it's a PHP file, I'm gonna call it index.php. It doesn't matter what you put in here, but it has to be a .php. Opa. So index.php. Nice. So you want to put it in the htdocs file, like I said. So here's the htdocs. I made a shortcut for myself, but you can go to applications, MAMP, click on htdocs. This was the map that we just created, and I'm going to insert it right here. So save, and what now we have done is we have inserted this PHP file inside MAMP, which is gonna make a local web server for us, totally free forever. So I'm gonna call on some PHP code. And guys, I'm gonna give you some nice PHP tutorials, really quick ones. So if you wanna know something, just ask me. I can make a short tutorial for you. So echo test hi, save it, and then we should be. This should work in the browser. So we go to open Chrome. Oh, actually go back to MAMP and right click here on your localhost and click on, see, oh no, actually you have to start the hosting. So you have to click on servers, start the servers. Never forget this button, guys, really important. All right, so now if it's green, it's working. You go back to your local host and right click, and then you can now you can click open host in web server. And now we have localhost open. We have like a web server where this PHP file is working, but actually our file was named, I think, well, let's see, what was the name of our folder. So you can have like 1,000 folders, but you just must take the name. So its name was PHP installation tut. So we're gonna type in slash PHP installation tut slash and not found. Okay, so what went wrong? Let's go back. So htdocs map installation tut. htdocs map installation tut. All right. See what we have here. Hi, and the hi is from somewhere else. Let's see. Oh, right. So you can click on choose document root folder. So what would be the root of your hosting? And I chose like HTTP code leader PHP, but we actually must go back to htdocs, and this must be our root folder actually for now. But you can choose anything in your root folder. Click on choose, and now we have everything, I think. So refresh, nothing. Not found. Right. This is the life of a web developer, guys. Let's see. Right. Save and start. We have to restart. And now it must work. Yeah, look. So it wasn't working because I needed to change the root folder. And what is the root folder? It's like, where is the hosting? Is it in this file? Is it in this file, or is it just in a parent file like here? So I just put it in a parent file, clicked on choose, and I had to restart the server. So now when you go to map installation tut, test hi, it's working. This is the folder. So if I change this, nice one code leader, save it, refresh, yes, it's working. So that was it, guys. There was a tutorial on how to use MAMP. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to know some new coding tutorials, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and like, because I want to grow this channel. So yeah, see you next time.